Today's episode of Devious Diesel Refuses series is Devious Diesel refuses to watch The Wild Grinders / Grounded. Enjoy the video.
Ah, man, I'm so bored. I want to watch the Nut Shack.
Devious Diesel, you are not gonna watch the Nut Shack. I am gonna be running a few errands with Henry the Green Engine, and Thomas the Tank Engine is gonna babysit again. So, you're going to watch The Wild Grinders.
No, not Wild Grinders. Anything but that.
I don't care, Devious Diesel. No, stay here until Thomas the Tank Engine comes. Hi, Devious Diesel. I'm Thomas again. We're gonna watch The Wild Grinders. And I hope you like it.
Let's roll! Wild Grinders!
Why are we watching that crap?
Devious Diesel, be quiet. We are watching The Wild Grinders and that's final.
Okay, I'm changing this show into the Nut Shack.
It's the Nut Shack. It's the Nut Shack. It's the Nut Shack.
Devious Diesel, how dare you change it from The Wild Grinders into the Nut Shack? You know the Nut Shack is abbreviated rip-offs to Wild Grinders, South Park, and Zoe 101. And I'm calling Sir Topham Hat about this. 10 minutes later. Sir Topham Hat is now here. Devious Diesel, how dare you misbehave by watching the Nut Shack instead of the Wild Grinders? Thomas is really sad because of what you did. That's it. You are grounded for 100 years until Christmas comes to life. And also, you are having Halloween school soon. So, if you misbehave, there will be no trick-or-treating.
Yes, sir. Topham Hat. And one thing for you.
Stop with your horn!